Hi everyone, long time no see. Today I would like to introduce a new birthday with you guys. His name is Onigiri. Today I'm using new chunky yarn to make it really big, and the hook size is the biggest one I have, 6mm hook. Your finished onigiri size will depend on your chosen yarn and hook, so you don't have to use exactly the same one like me. So firstly, make a foundation chain. After finishing the foundation chain, we're gonna work around it, so it's working in rounds. So round 1, chain 1 as the standing chain. I prefer working to the back pumps of the chain. It helps to avoid big holes when we crochet around the foundation chain. So make a single crochet to the first back pump, 1 single crochet to each of the next 10 chains. Now we have come to the last chain. I forgot to mark the first stage, so let's count again. Single crochet to the first 10, single crochet to the next 10 chains. It's good to go. We're gonna work 3 single crochet to the same last chain. 1, 2, and 3. Next, work to the other side of the foundation chain. So 10 single crochet to the next 10 chains, which is opposite to the other side. We are gonna make 2 more single crochet to that same chain. I suggest using marker to avoid miscounting. End the round with a slip stitch. This is how it looks at the end of round 1. Start round 2 with a chain 1. Make 3 single crochet to the first stage. Mark the first stage of the set. Then in the next 10 stitches, make a single crochet to every stage. You can pause the video and work 10 single crochet now. Make 3 single crochet to the next marked stage. And then I will mark the last stage of the set. Single crochet to the next stage. Again, 3 single crochet to the next marked stage. This time, mark the first stage of the set. Continue to crochet around to the other side of the work. Single crochet to each of the next 10 stitches. Three single crochet to the next marked stitch. Mark the last stitch of the set, and finally make a single crochet to the remaining stitch. End the round with a slip stitch. This is the completed round 2. Round 3, chain 1, make a single crochet to the first stitch, then 3 single crochet to the next. In the next 12 stitches, make a single crochet in every stitch. Make 3 single crochet to the next stitch. Single crochet to each of the next 3 stitches, followed by 3 single crochet to the next stitch. In the next 12 stitches, make a single crochet to each of them. Now 3 single crochet to the next stitch. And finally, single crochet to each of the 2 remaining stitches. End the round with a slip stitch. Round 3 has been completed. Again, start the new round with a chain 1. Make 2 single crochet. Three single crochet to the next stitch. Single crochet to each of the next 14 stitches. I have put the whole rounds painted on the screen, so you can pause the video and crochet for your own. This is how it looks like at the end of round 4. In round 5, we will crochet only to the back loops. After the chain 1, make 3 single crochet. Mark the stitch you have just made. Single crochet increase to the next stitch. Then make a single crochet to each of the next 16 stitches. Single crochet increase to the next stitch right before the mark stitch. From this marker to the next one, make a single crochet to every stitch, which is 7 stitches. Oh, I forgot the marker, so I will insert it now. Markers are very helpful for us to keep track of the stitch count. I highly recommend using it. Okay, next, single crochet increase to the next. Again, single crochet to each of the next 16 stitches. Single crochet increase to the next one. And lastly, single crochet to each of the next 4 remaining stitches. Don't forget a slip stitch to join the round. That's the end of round 5. The next 2 rounds are very easy, just single crochet around. So to save time, I will turn off the camera and come back after finishing round 6 and 7. In round 8, we will have 6 decrease stitches. So chain 1, make 3 single crochet. Then make a single crochet decrease. I'm using the invisible decrease here. Next, make 7 single crochet. Repeat the set of single crochet decrease and 7 single crochet 4 more times. After that, there should be 6 stitches left. So we are gonna make a single crochet decrease followed by 4 single crochet. Then end with a slip stitch. The pattern for the next 2 rounds is just single crochet around, so you can pause the video to work on your own. From round 11 to 18, the pattern is a repetitive of a decreased round followed by a single crochet round. I have put the pattern on the screen so you can pause the video and note it down. After finishing round 18, you can add some fiber fill and gradually add more in the few last rounds. In the next 3 rounds, we are gonna decrease 4 stitches per round, so that round 21 will end up with 20 stitches. Round 22 is the last one. What we're gonna do is to single crochet decrease around, so the pattern is 10 single crochet decrease. It's time to insert plastic eyes for the onigiri if you want to. I have these 2 cm safety eyes. I think they look nice between round 7 and 8, counting top down. Stop the final portions of fiber fill. Then weave the yarn tail through the last 10 stitches to close the hole. I will weave it back and forth through the front loop slowly. Lastly, hide the yarn tail. To make the Nori overalls for the rice bun, I will use the same chunky yarn in black, so make the foundation chain of 6. It's hard to see the stitches in black, so I will switch to a brighter color for better vision. So round 1, chain 2. Starting from the 3rd chain from hook, make 6 double crochet. And then from round 2 to 11, the pattern is to chain 2 and turn, and then 6 double crochet. Fasten off, cut the yarn and hide the tail. For the straps, I will use the milled cotton yarn. The thickness is 2mm. I switch to the 2mm hook also because I am making a giant onigiri. I'm gonna make 2 chains of 60. You can adjust the number of chains based on the size of your onigiri. Then sew them to the black seaweed. Make sure the white yarn cannot be seen on the front. The overalls for the onigiri is done. Let's put it on. The link to download the free pattern will be updated in the description below. You can also embroider a mouth for the onigiri. I hope you liked this video tutorial and crochet an onigiri as well as the sushi set yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will come back for more. See ya!